So, hello everyone. Welcome to the Red Zone. Today we're going to do things a little different. This is going to be our first team presentation for Red Zone. I will be demonstrating a couple of new icons on the GUI, the graphic user interface. Following me will be Carol. I'll be sharing my screen for her. She'll be also showing a couple new things. And then to finish it off, Michael Hernandez will be sharing his screen. He'll be sharing some things with you guys as well. So the first thing that I would like to share with you guys, it was part of the versioning change 15.1.0 that was released on February 6th, was a renaming of the instrument. So this allowed the users to modify both or either attributes independently of each other and prevent REDCap from automatically changing the unique instrument name, whether modifying the instrument label while it's in development status. So there's two ways you can kind of go about this. The first way you can go is by your instrument names is choose action. Go ahead and click this rename. It's going to pop up a little caret just to indicate what exactly it is that you're changing. So the neat thing, as I mentioned previously to this, when you would create an instrument, the form name would automatically duplicate that. So now you have the capability of changing your instrument name to whatever you choose to. As you can see here, the survey title is currently titled Electronic Consent. I'm going to check this because it's going to duplicate it to what this states here. The other option is you can change the form name something differently, which I'll kind of show you the other way. So we're going to go ahead and apply this. Now, the other way you can go to renaming once you're inside an instrument, if you see here your form name, we can go and click this. It automatically will populate the same thing, but we can see here that we actually click that box. So it changed the instrument name to be this section here, the informed consent, as well as our form name. You can change it if you'd like. So it's neat that you have your form name, your instrument name, and then your survey title, which your participant will see. I mean, the rest of this is mainly, for you, whatever you'd like to decide, but it's a neat little new customization to the GUI where you can see things differently. The other thing that I'd like to share with you all, sticking with the design of the GUI. So in this section, you'll also see this icon here, which is the repeat survey. It's letting you know that it's enabled. A way you can tell if you are using this, which is a neat icon, is, again, still sticking to this section in your survey setting. Scroll all the way down. You have this option here in the survey termination option, where it's giving you the option to repeat the survey. So you can set it up, to be either before or to not even display it's going to be a repeat survey. But in this section, we're going to have it just to kind of repeat it. But it's a neat little GUI little thing that's going to show you a new icon that it's a new functionality that's been implemented in the 15.1.0. Following me, Carol will be showing you guys a couple other things.
Hey, before you go
Hello.
on, wait,
Yep.
why would you do that? Why would you repeat it?
As far as repeat survey goes,
Yeah.
uh,
What would be a reason?
so for this one in this instrument panel, you could have a repeat survey if you were collecting information on, I don't know, let's say health history or something. So this survey itself was something that we pulled from a prior project. So it's not necessarily a repeat instrument. So I would say more of like a data collection where you would want a repeat survey.
I don't think we investigated exactly why you would repeat it unless it's a diary. I wonder if it would work for daily diaries.
I don't know. That's what I wondered. I mean, I just I
You had
have
to throw in something.
well, I haven't seen that feature, so I was just curious what would be a reason that you would do that without it being set up as a repeating instrument? Is this set up as a repeating instrument?
It looks as though it is. Yes. When you click on modify, does it show it? Yeah.
Uh,
We just
okay,
have that same one at PCI registry pool.
okay, so I wonder how then you activate it. I mean, how do you, yeah, so,
Oh, to activate it?
well, I mean, how do you, so you fill in the data, so it's going to be, you clicked on that little, yeah, what that repeating thing. Where's, no, over there on that little,
It's just an icon. It doesn't do
Yeah,
anything.
I mean, if you do click on it, it's going to take you to the survey settings. If you do click on that icon with the pencil,
oh, I
and
see.
as far as where it's located and how you go about setting it up, it would be this function here, this option to repeat the survey.
So George, can you click on that link that says learn about data collection strategies for repeating surveys? That might give us an explanation.
Great call, Manny.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it says repeating instruments only. The third row.
But yeah, common use surveys, find information must enter multiple times, such as filling out questions about multiple family members or entering medication information for multiple meds.
Oh, that makes sense.
That would
That
be,
makes sense. Oh, okay. I got it. All right. Well, I'm sorry.
Oh, no, that's a great question. But yeah,
And then you can see that it only works with the web interface only down at the bottom. So if they have a survey that's SMS or voice.
that makes sense.
Can you scroll back down again, George?
Mhm.
I just was reading that about the survey queue. And that requires an email to be sent.
Yeah, not when it's in a survey. I guess that could be another demo.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And again, I'm sorry to take you out of that, but when I saw it, I'm thinking, why would you want to see the same survey again? But that makes sense if you're like doing family members or and it's repeating
Right.
because I didn't see all that, at a glance. So thank you.